Imagine being able to create unique video clips by combining the power of your imagination with a simple text prompt.
Watch your ideas spring to life in minutes as engaging video clips. No filming, no complicated editing skills, just one easy-to-use generative AI tool.
Hi, I'm Nikki. I'm a self-taught solo creator, Adobe Express and Adobe Firefly ambassador. And my thanks go to Adobe for kindly sponsoring this video. So if you want to learn step by step how to easily create highly engaging and realistic generative AI videos for all your creative projects without feeling overwhelmed, then this video is the perfect place to start. You can create cinematic videos that would otherwise be impossible to film at a fraction of the price and that require no specialist skills. Once generated, I'll also show you how to make quick edits to your AI videos for those extra finishing touches. You won't need any fancy camera equipment, video equipment, or recording studios. But what you do need is your imagination and one user-friendly app. So let's dive in. The AI video generator we're going to be using is Adobe Firefly. There are some very unique benefits to using Adobe Firefly, which you'll discover as we go along. To use Firefly's generative AI tools, you will need to have a paid plan. But for just £9.98 a month, you'll not only be able to use Adobe Firefly, you'll also have access to Adobe's cutting-edge AI partners, as well as AI image models like Nano Banana and Runway Gen 4. You're free to cancel your subscription at any time. There are two ways to generate AI videos in Adobe Firefly. Number one, text to video. And number two, image to video. So let's make a start by learning how to create a video from a simple text prompt. So starting on the Adobe Firefly homepage, make sure video is selected from the drop-down menu and go straight over and click on more because I want to get really granular about what I want to create. From the drop-down menu at the top, select the AI model you want to use, and I've already selected Firefly Video. Choose the correct video resolution from the drop-down menu. Next, select the aspect ratio, so widescreen, square or vertical. Frames per second is always 24, and the duration of AI videos in Firefly is always 5 seconds. I'm going to skip the frames section for now, but I will be talking about how to use these in just a few minutes. I'm going to scroll past composition and camera because they are more advanced, and we just want to focus on the simple things for the moment. Add some professional cinematic touches to your video by selecting your shot size. They all have different effects, so there's no right or wrong answer here. Make it look like your video has been shot by a professional cameraman by selecting a camera angle and adding motion. These little touches help to keep your audience engaged and add more interest to your video. Finally, select a relevant style, and then you're all ready to type your text prompt. Writing text prompts can be tricky until you get the hang of it, so to help you out, I've left a link in the description underneath this video which takes you through this process in great detail. By way of a summary, you need to describe a subject, an action, any lighting such as soft evening sunshine, the background you want to include, a colour palette and design style. So I've typed out my prompt in the prompt box, and this is one of those key benefits that I love about Adobe Firefly. I'm going to click on Enhanced Prompt. It's a little bit like an inbuilt AI assistant, so based on the prompt you write, it automatically refines and expands short prompts to generate more detailed, descriptive and higher quality images or videos. With that done, I'm now going to click on Generate to see what Firefly magics up. And this may take a few minutes, so be sure not to close this window down.
Hey everyone! Please support Nikki by subscribing to her channel. Thanks!
And here is the finished Firefly video, which I'm going to play through. And for the first iteration, that really is incredible. And don't forget, you can continue to play around with the prompts and all of these settings until you get the video that you're happy with. If there are any finishing touches or small details that you want to add to the video, you can modify it using a further text prompt. And then type out a new text prompt to describe how you want to edit your clip. And for that extra wow factor, easily generate and add some sound effects to your video, again using a text prompt to describe exactly what you'd like to hear. Click Generate and click on the play button to test out each sound variation. Click your preferred sound variation to add it to your video. And this is what my completed video looks and sounds like. And here's another benefit of using Adobe Firefly. I can easily use the same prompt to generate a slightly different version of the video using any one of Firefly's cutting-edge AI models, including Sora 2. Each AI model will generate a video with a slightly different look and feel. And as you can hear, they even have their own inbuilt sound effects. Now that you've learnt the basics of generating video from a text prompt, you can go one step further and learn how to transform a static image like product shots and headshots into engaging video content. From the Adobe Firefly homepage again, select Video from the drop-down menu, go over and click More again. In the top left-hand corner, click on the drop-down menu and select the AI model you want to use. I'm going to select Firefly, select your resolution, aspect ratio, frames per second doesn't change. Firefly videos are 5 seconds. Next, select an image as a starting point of your AI video. Click on this thumbnail to upload your image. So you can upload it from your own device or you can upload it from the Adobe Cloud Storage. And this is what I absolutely love about using Adobe, is that if I generate an image or upload an image into Adobe, I can easily find it within my projects. And this really is a time saver. So you can see I've been having a lot of fun in Adobe Firefly. Select the image you want to work with and click Add. I'm going to skip on the camera section because it's slightly more advanced. And in exactly the same way as we did before, I'm going to select some motion to add a little bit of extra interest. And then I'm ready to type my text prompt. So this is my prompt, a hyper-realistic video of a cute, fluffy family dog holding a stick in its mouth, running excitedly along a beautiful sandy beach in the autumn sunshine. I'm going to click on Enhance Prompt, just so that I get exactly what I want in the video. And then click Generate. See what Firefly magics up. And this is my completed Firefly video. And that is really very, very good and very realistic. Again, as I showed you before, you can edit the video by hovering your cursor over the top left-hand corner, clicking on Modify, using a text prompt to add some edits, generate sound effects, and you're also free to reuse the exact same prompt using another AI model. Learn more about creating images and writing text prompts in Adobe Express and discover the secret to creating AI images with a consistent style and look using reference images. Just click on this link to get started, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.